Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so super excited to be doing my first ever event video here on my channel. You guys know I am an event planner. I also am a florist. So I wanted to show you guys how I put together this really beautiful and easy pink and purple summer tablescape. I created these really beautiful summer centerpieces for my tablescape, and if you guys want to see how I created these, make sure you're subscribed because the next video that I post is going to give you a tutorial on how I created them. So the first thing that I did for the table was I decided to go in with these really beautiful pink woven placemats from IKEA. I love the way that these pop against the black and white cushions and the really beautiful color and design of the table. Next, I went in with these purple plates from IKEA. These are just standard dinner plates, but they're in a really beautiful purple color. To kind of give it some pop of color and just a little bit of bounce and separate the purple and the pink, I decided to go in with this white side plate, but I put it directly on top of the plate rather than putting it on the side. Then to round everything together and bring back the purple theme, I decided to go in with these purple bowls that match my dinnerware set so perfectly. Now, once that was done, I went in with cups, and I didn't want to use just plain old cups, so I decided to use these cups that have a pink hue to them. I love them. They are one of my favorite things on this table. And then next, to really accent everything, I added some gold cutlery from IKEA, just one of my most favorite parts of the table. To add a little more pizzazz and color, I decided to add pink cushions just to give a little more comfort and bring in that pink theme. And then I went in with this pink throw from IKEA as well that I absolutely love in case it got chilly throughout the night. I also started to add these marble coasters underneath these really nice purpley pink vases that I created with flowers. I moved on to adding some more flowers throughout the table. So this is the big kahuna that I call it, the big flower centerpiece. I filled a small pitcher with some flowers as well and just put that on the table. And this is the completed table, guys. I hope you really enjoy it. As you can see, I think the pink and purple work so well together. I think that honestly, this would be a great look for a bridal shower, for a brunch with your girlfriends, for a birthday, for just any type of event that you wanted to have outdoors. The pink and the purple really pop, and the gold accents with the white really help to elevate the colors. If you guys want to see where I got everything or learn more about all of my tablescape settings, you can check out the description box down below. I have a link to my blog post where I talk more about the setting and how I put everything together. The fresh flowers really add to the table and really just give it that big oomph and freshness of color. And I am going to be showing you guys, like I mentioned, how I created these flower centerpieces. If you guys like this video, please let me know. I love doing videos like this because it's really sharing one of my passions, which is florist artwork and creating centerpieces and creating tablescapes and doing events with you guys. If you guys want to see more party planning videos like this one, or decor ideas or flower tutorials, anything you want to see, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't ever forget you are so beautiful. Bye guys!